Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Risma Rindiani. I'm class 10 TKJ1. I'm here to explain briefly again about announcement, simple past, present perfect, and recount text. Announcement is a formal public declaration about a fact, occurrence, or intention. The purpose in announcement is to give a formal notice of such an event. Generic structure. Yang pertama, opening, yang kedua, content, dan yang ketiga, closing. Language feature, simple present tense, simple future tense. Contoh announcement di sekolah badminton selection. Attention! For students who are interested in playing badminton, please meet Mr. Sule in the sport room after school to be included in the Klaten Regency Anniversary Competition. Sport teacher, Mr. Sule. Simple past tense. Simple past tense adalah untuk menyatakan suatu kejadian yang terjadi dan telah berakhir di masa lampau. Rumus past tense yang positif, subject plus verb to plus object or complement. Yang negatif, subject plus did not plus verb 1 plus object or complement. Yang question, did plus s plus verb 1 plus object or complement. Example atau contohnya adalah yang positif, I went to Paris last year. Yang negatif, I did not go to Paris last year. Yang question, did you go to Paris last year? Present perfect. Present perfect adalah untuk menyatakan suatu aksi atau situasi yang telah dimulai di masa lalu dan masih berlanjut sampai sekarang, atau telah selesai pada suatu titik waktu tertentu di masa lalu, namun efeknya masih berlanjut. Rumusnya adalah yang positif, subject plus have atau has plus verb 3 plus object atau complement. Yang negatif, subject plus have atau has plus not plus verb 3 plus object atau complement. Yang question, have atau has plus verb 3 plus object or complement. Example atau contohnya adalah yang positif, he has learned English for 1 year. Yang negatif, he has not learned English for 1 year. Yang question, has he learned English for 1 year? Recount text. Recount text is a text which retells event or experience in the past. The characteristic, using the simple past tense, using temporal sequence, focus on specific participant, using the conjunction word, and using action verb. The generic structure. Yang pertama orientasi, yang kedua events, yang ketiga reorientasi. Type of recount text. Yang pertama, personal recount. Personal recount adalah jenis teks recount atau cerita yang berdasarkan pengalaman pribadi penulis. Yang kedua, factual recount. Factual recount adalah teks yang berfungsi untuk menyajikan laporan peristiwa yang benar-benar terjadi tanpa direkayasa. Yang ketiga, imaginative adalah teks yang berfungsi menyajikan sebuah cerita imajinasi. Contoh recount text, traveling around the world. Derry saved his money and spent 2 months traveling around the world. He wrote his journey in his diary. I spent a week in New York and then flew to London and enjoyed several weeks in Europe. When I had seen the sight in Europe, I took a train to Istanbul and visited many places in Asia. First, I flew from His home is Mexico City to New York City. After South Asia, I went to South America and finally back home to Indonesia. Derry felt tired, but he was very excited and wanted to travel again. Thank you. Mohon maaf bila ada kesalahan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.